Hello viewers, I'm Sion and you're in Galactic View. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a tutorial from Vivoid in how to make horns. As I mentioned on the previous video, one of the glasses is basically doing the same thing again. Yes, the horns are made of hair again and as well. It's very curious how we find creativity when some things are actually seem impossible to make. But you know what they say, when there's a will, there's a way. Now, going on to the video. As I mentioned before, if you may already have some knowledge of making hair on Vivoid, the studio, then you should be fine. If not, you can just go ahead and check another tutorial from YouTube or from this video channel. Anywho, moving on. So as always, make a free hand group, and here's where this will get tricky. When you see these little green dots, yeah, we're gonna have to zoom in a little bit because of this. Sometimes when making horns or hair, we have to make some unusual adjustments. It may not make so much sense now, but when you see the result, it'll be far much better than it actually looks during the process. And so, for horns, it's basically doing this and placing this one down. It's because you need to have a shape like this. It looks like an actual hairstyle, but it's not a point. Once you have a selected color, you'll just start making a hairstyle. Brown area. Not exactly what it's intended, but it can be done. You have to keep it in check of that. This little limit here. Because once you connect this overlook it, and you might actually just miss it. So this little one will help you a lot. And you can actually just adjust it. And the size of that is basically done. Not that much difficult. And this is the result. Okay, so if you like the video, you press like, subscribe, and push the notification button for future videos. Until next time.